And 3, 2, 1, dialing in. Hi guys, Mr. Anderson here, and I'm going to be teaching you how to edit your website to make it look snazzy, and on how to add different text boxes, images, stuff like that. And most importantly, how to add new pages. If you're in the editable mode in Google Websites, you'll find that you'll have this little bar over here near my mouse. Click, click. There you go. You can see it. And you can see that I have home, get to know me, science notes. Everything that's up here is over here. Even, you see how we scroll over science notes and it shows me all of these hidden links? I've actually organized it that way, and this is where I did all that, was over here in the pages section. If I wanted to make a new page, I just click the positive button here. It asks for, what do you want to name this new page? Test, or let's do example page. And it adds it onto the end, and you're like, well, where did it go? Well, under more, oh, look, there's the example page. Let's say I drag and drop it. Now it's the second item, just like I've dragged it here. I can't drag things from here. It's just going to highlight. This is where you're going to shift around where your pages go. If, say, I wanted to add more notes or maybe something in the science journal, I can drag it over and you'll see that it adds a little box around it. And then I can drop my example page in here and you'll see that it added example page down on the bottom there. And again, now it's nested inside of that. But I don't want the example page there. I'm going to drop it at the end of our list so that we can have it there, and it's going to be its own thing. Let's talk about how to add stuff to this new page that we made. You're going to have to go to Insert. If I click around right here on the bottom, you'll see I can't really type anything in, blah, blah, blah. Typing, nothing's going in. If I want to add a text box, I just have to go to Insert and then find Text Box, and boom, now I can type stuff. Hi, Mom. Maybe she's watching these videos right now. Who knows? So there we go. We have hi, Mom. And notice that I use a lot of exclamation marks. That's because everything's exciting. That's right. So we want to add an image, and we can upload straight from our computer. So if we have saved an image, maybe a picture of us and our family, and we want to share that, we could do that. But I'm going to go into the Google image search function here, and I'm going to search for exclamation mark. And there we go. I found an exclamation mark. That one looks pretty awesome. Click on it, click Insert, and now we have our exclamation mark. And I can move it and drag it and drop it so it's in different spots on the screen. I can even place it next to my text, right like this, or to the left of my text, or reposition it to above my text. And now it's a huge exclamation mark with a hi, Mom underneath it. So say I don't like that, just go over it and push the delete key, and now it's gone. And hi, Mom is still there. I'm going to stretch that back out, and it's going to fill up the whole bar like it did before. So cool. Now you should know how to add a text box. You can add a picture. But say you don't want to do all that dragging and dropping. There's actually layouts that are over here on the right side of your screen. Say you're doing a list of different presidents for civics class. You click this button with picture, picture, picture. You can search for George Washington's picture, all the presidents, drop them in here. And you can add a little caption here. This is GW himself, and so on and so forth. You can add on all the presidents as much as you want. You can keep on adding. And now you could have a whole list of pictures with captions and dates and names, whatever you want. You can organize it for your personal use. So hopefully that's helpful into adding things. There's one more thing I want to show, and that's, let's say I want to change the look. Right now it's got this background. I can go to Change Image, and I can select an image to put back there. So say I want to change it to something more personal. I can find a picture on my desktop. I can upload it and put that image behind my title pages. They also have come up with automatic themes. Right now we're on the Diplomat, and we have this leftmost color, but you can change the color. And you can see now it's more purple. Now it's more red. We're going to go back to our original. You can even choose like a simple look, an Aristotle look. There are lots of different looks. I like the Diplomat version, and you can just go ahead and choose those, play around with them, see which one fits you best. Hopefully this is helpful for making your page a little bit more you. And as we go, you can ask questions. If there's something you want to do that you've seen me do on the website, drop me a note. I'll make another video on this. And hopefully this has helped you to become a Google website master of sorts. All right, well, that's all for now. I'll see you guys on the internet.